Well, the last 1 week and particularly the last 24 hours have been a complete roller coaster ride for the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Just as he was looking to get over the hill in terms of trying to secure relief in the PMLA case, trying to secure bail in the ED case, just as he was about to approach the apex court to seek relief from here, the CBI steps in, the CBI takes over, the CBI arrests him in its own case, which means that a new chain of events will be set in motion, which means more pain coming in for Arvind Kejriwal. So what is the way forward from here? Is there any possibility of Arvind Kejriwal coming out of the Tihar jail, and what are the legal impediments? We'll try to answer some of these questions, but here's the context first. Thursday of last week, June 20th, is when the trial court had granted him bail. The very next morning, on Friday, June 21st, the Enforcement Directorate moved the Delhi High Court, said this bail order is bad. The Delhi High Court said, fine, we'll hear the matter, but until we're hearing the matter, we'll put the bail order on stay. So essentially, no release coming in for Arvind Kejriwal. He remained behind bars over the weekend. But over that weekend, he knocked on the doors of the apex court. The Supreme Court said, we'll not hear anything, we won't say anything till the Delhi High Court passes its order. Cut to Tuesday, which is yesterday, at 2:30 p.m., the Delhi High Court passed its order saying, confirming its stay order of the bail, saying that this order is perverse, that the ED was not granted an opportunity. Now, that is where things ended last afternoon. However, from there, the expectation from the Arvind Kejriwal team was that our application is anyways pending before the apex court. We'll move the top court and we'll seek relief from the top court. But just as this plan was being set in motion late into the night, yesterday itself, we had the CBI taking over, and news reports started to emerge that the CBI has arrested the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in its own matter. Now, cut to this morning, we find that Arvind Kejriwal was made to appear before the Rouse Avenue Court. That's the trial court before which he was made to appear. And there it emerged that he was not technically arrested, but in fact that arrest happened this morning before the Rouse Avenue Court. Now here we have a situation where the CBI is demonstrating before the Rouse Avenue Court that there is evidence that they have a strong case to believe that the excise policy was tweaked to benefit the South Group, that there are monies that have flowed from the South Group to the Aam Aadmi Party which have led to financing of their elections. And what's also interesting is that the CBI was found patting itself on the back, saying that they have demonstrated restraint at a time when the elections were underway, at a time that the apex court had granted release on an interim bail of Arvind Kejriwal for campaigning purposes. The CBI held back, the CBI demonstrated restraint and did not arrest him till the elections were good and over. So a pat on the back for itself as far as the CBI is concerned. Meanwhile, what we find is that Kejriwal, assisted by his legal team, appeared before the apex court, and here his legal team, his counsel Abhishek Manu Singhvi, has decided to withdraw the application, saying that we'll file a fresh application challenging the Delhi High Court order. So clearly at this point, there are various legal stumbling blocks in the way. The expectation is that with the CBI starting off a fresh chain of events, it will now seek the custody of Arvind Kejriwal, which then will translate into a judicial custody in the CBI matter, which will then translate into a need for a fresh bail application to be filed by Arvind Kejriwal. So a long chain of events are due to follow from here. The expectation is that any relief coming Arvind Kejriwal's way has been put on hold courtesy this new CBI arrest, and that this CBI arrest will now hold the key on whether or not Arvind Kejriwal stays behind bars in Tihar jail or whether he walks out as a free man.